maybe zifaqana nomabanyana Koko moya babu ngenya bond Bheke ngizokwenzela ifilimi Ngifika ngizohlephula konke nesitoko Nale mali esemathilini Get myself some good shit Ngibheme ngikhombe emakhishini Bathi ngiyahlanya ngihlanya ngezaka Ngcono ninginika amapilisi Ngifuna le beat afa ku-repeat Ngihlephule ngidedeli hit Ukusika lisilwane entanyeni zakho Ukhohlakele njengephit Uchoma ngemade engena nediri Mina ngibafuna befit Omrepo nolaka ngimfaka impama mina ngibafuna abachiki ngivukela izakho uvukela idaha impilo izokwenzela ifilimi ushaya ngendanda utshela uyachapha manje uphaphela amapilisi ngifana nesikhani siqala sakudala amabenzi aphaphela idikisi ngirepa sakudala ngidlala ngenamba ngcono ntetela ama-feelings ngcono ntetela ama-feelings ngcono ntetela ama-feelings Nontetela my feelings Nontetela my feelings Nontetela my feelings Nyekele poti ngizoshaya amakepisi Ngize nebeef bengithi soyishare manje ngizokecha ama feelings Irama ngidingi lana ngilimisi flow nokubaba ukuchilisa I got my paper no longer stay mfetha ngabheka amathikini I'm still a no geo spit my bars killing on prep my showing I came back like I never left new shit bigger spilling I'll never ride if you gonna ride speak the trash man and getting down I tell you now nyabulunye nam get the shit straight nigga listen down bitch thinks is a king now you probably wondering who Never mind, but I tell you what, the coldest in the booth. I took Melo Elo to the court, but they never got a chance to pass the ball. It's a middle finger on the trigger, once I pull it off, I'ma shoot them all. Fucks me up, there's so many men, got a gang up on a single man. What the fuck you skinny man, tryna act tough on a boogeyman. But to bar on a single track, with the show that who's the man. Tell you what, you young nigga, he can fuck you up with a single track. But in Indwana, nobody in Jamaica ngibona athi yebo baba I put some hot paper on your ears ukusuka manje ka uzuzwa kubaba mabe ngithulele beshoba shoba bethi yibo manje nyabafaka masivumbi ngishaya amaphanja ngaphiki bazothi nyabaqala I got the flow ingakhama ufefi ubone sevundeka inkanyama I wrote those for my haters bese ngikatha labafanyana abahlabeka kule track bazothi ngakamela umabanyana uthike silwane babe silambela ibeef ake babali bashanyana I'm the motherfucking beat killer masefika mina baba ngibali space God drowned die body station feeling sober bathi bamvuleli case never been a great king mara neqonzo prepare nyimbangeni chaos bathi ba blind azanye babona ngizobavumela ama carrot awunyeke umona mikuvela umvo batshela ukuthi usujishisa for me ngifuna ukubala shaya smart joint ezinto sezishe ngama-2 akekho mrepo ngangibulala khona kodwa zona zingibulala full ngifuna ukubala ngabo past 12 norekhoda ngabo 2 Never been work on this damn rap, but I do know how to work. Unemployed and still hustling, but at least nigga you work. Barita bataba ke mashallah to you nigga ke banyana. Khale phanda khanda zaka, how shota nga uthatha. Uzozwa the track asibona relate, umtshela ngakicha ama feelings. I'm not a doctor, baba ngumrapper, ngeke ngizonisa ama feelings. Been a bad ass since back then, angaze ngakicha ama feelings. Ohlanya ngebeef, agezela kimi, ngivela ngimhlohla amapilisi. Nontetela ama feelings. Nontetela ama feelings. Nontetela ama feelings. Nontetela ama feelings.